My name is Estevão Lima and I'm professor of urology and the coordinator of this fantastic course. And with me is Nuno Domingues, another professor of urology and coordinator also with this course.
As you can see, we have an amazing course that it's possible to do along of several different kinds of surgical approach. In this course, we have the opportunity of teach every 7 different techniques. We have amazing quality. We have a body donation program, so we have cadavers with perhaps the best embalming technique worldwide.
The student has the opportunity to train robotic simple prostatectomy, laparoscopic simple prostatectomy. We have also simulators for the training in vaporization of the prostate, to perform the resume, and also we have the aquablation for the treatment with the aquabeam technology.
This course is being great because this is a great opportunity to be in contact with different techniques that are evolving nowadays, and the bodies are really well preserved. It makes really a realistic opportunity, and we are all enjoying very much.
I chose to participate in this course as it is a unique opportunity to practice endoscopic techniques and laparoscopic techniques as well, and robotics in Cadaver. It's the only course in Europe where we can do it, and so to develop my skills and to learn with the experts, I'm doing it with great results so far.
I would like to invite all the urologists and specialists that would like to improve the expertise in surgical treatment of BPH to come for the next edition of this fantastic course.
This is a big opportunity to learn every techniques disposable to do better surgery to your patients. So I hope to see you in the next edition.